Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today I want to share my collection of dogs with you. I have these dogs. I'm just cleaning my display cabinet. I have a glass display cabinet that I'll show you in a minute. But let's look at all the doggies. Now these are ceramic and they have a magnet right in the nose. See how I took them apart? You see how they joined together by the magnet? So, and they have the little holes there. So one was for salt and one was for pepper. And I've gotten a lot of these at flea markets and yard sales and everything. These two are also the same type. It's a salt and pepper, and they join at the mouth with magnets. Look how pretty. So those two are that. Then I have this other one here. These are mainly flea market items. Look at this. I get them, it depends. I don't pay over $4 for a dog. So sometimes it's $1. They could range from 50 cents to $3 in this table, depending how much I like it when I see it. Look at this cute little one. And look at this one. This one is in his little bed. This one is a Christmas one. I have a few Christmas ones on the other side. This one's a tough dog. I like these. I have these up here. This one is very vintage. I have another one upstairs that broke a leg. Then I have this other one here. I added a Christmas bowl to it because I've used it on Christmas. This one's missing an ear. It broke off. This one's very vintage, a ceramic little dog. This one is also vintage. That one back there, that one, many of you know of the old Cracker Jacks. Remember the Cracker Jacks that we used to buy in the box that came with peanuts and a little prize? Well, I have the doll of the boy, the Cracker Jacks boy. I have the doll. So this dog came in, that's his dog. So that dog came in the same box. So I took it out to put it with the other dogs. Then those back there are Christmas dogs. This one you might have seen recently in my Christmas dollhouse, the one with the cookies right there. And that's supposed to be a Christmas ornament. You can see the top has a little loop there. This one also is a Christmas dog. And the one back there, see the Christmas bowl? These are just plastic vintage right there. Then I have these other ones here. I love dogs and cats. Look at this cute little one. Look how cute. His outfit matches his hat. Look at this German Shepherd here. I've always loved German Shepherds in real life. They're very smart dogs. All of them are smart. Look at this one. Look how cute. This one wobbles his head. And he has a funny look too. And then we have this little cute one there. So all these dogs I've already dusted them, but they didn't have any dust really, but I'm cleaning the glass display, and all these are going in here. So this glass display, I got it at IKEA a very long time ago. I ended up getting 2 of them. That's the second one over there. That one has other, like cats and cats, houses and all that. So here is the dog display cabinet. And it has a light. Has a light right there. See the wire? So when I plug it, you know what, I'll show you. Might as well show you. So I'm going to plug it over here. And this is the switch. There you go. These are so delicate. These let me see. Okay. I'm gonna put this dog right here just so you can see it under the light. There you go. Look how cute it looks under the light. Okay, so that's my little chore right now, cleaning up. Maybe I'll come back when I do both, when I clean both displays. Once everything is in place, I'll come back with another video. And thanks for watching.